Complete Guide to Carbohydrates, Vertical Bar Definition, Classification and Functions in Biochemistry. Carbohydrates are one of the most essential biomolecules that power our bodies and sustain life. But what exactly are carbohydrates? How are they classified? And what role do they play in biological systems? Let's dive deep into the world of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are organic molecules made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a general ratio of 1 to 2 to 1. The word carbohydrate comes from the combination of carbon and hydrate, water. They are the primary source of energy for most living organisms. Depending on their complexity, they range from simple sugars like glucose to complex polymers like starch and cellulose. Carbohydrates exist in two main structural forms: linear, open-chain structure and cyclic ring structure. Most monosaccharides, like glucose, prefer the ring form because it is more stable in aqueous solutions. Carbohydrates can also be classified as reducing or non-reducing sugars based on their ability to donate electrons. Reducing sugars, such as glucose and lactose, react with Benedict's solution, producing a color change. Non-reducing sugars, like sucrose, do not react unless hydrolyzed. Carbohydrates are metabolized into glucose, which is used by cells to generate ATP, the energy currency of life. Carbohydrates are classified into three major categories: monosaccharides, simple sugars; disaccharides, double sugars; and polysaccharides, complex sugars. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates, consisting of a single sugar unit. Examples include glucose, which has the chemical formula C6H12O6 and serves as the main energy source in cells. Fructose, found in fruits, is the sweetest natural sugar, and galactose, which is a component of lactose present in milk. Monosaccharides can be further classified as aldoses, which contain an aldehyde group such as glucose, and ketoses, which contain a ketone group like fructose. When two monosaccharides join through a glycosidic bond, they form a disaccharide. Examples include sucrose, which is composed of glucose and fructose and is commonly known as table sugar. Lactose, made up of glucose and galactose, is found in dairy products. And maltose, which consists of two glucose molecules and is found in germinating grains. Polysaccharides are complex carbohydrates consisting of many monosaccharide units. They can be categorized as storage polysaccharides, which are used for energy storage. Starch, found in plants like potatoes, rice, and grains, and glycogen, stored in the liver and muscles of animals. Then we have structural polysaccharides, which provide support and rigidity. Cellulose forms the cell walls of plants, while chitin provides strength to the exoskeletons of fungi and arthropods. Carbohydrates are the primary fuel source for cells. Glucose is broken down via glycolysis, producing ATP, the energy needed for cellular functions. Excess glucose is stored as starch in plants, where it's kept in roots and seeds, and glycogen in animals, which is stored in the liver and muscles for quick energy release. Polysaccharides like cellulose provide rigidity to plant cell walls, enabling plants to stand upright. Dietary fiber, such as cellulose and hemicellulose, aids digestion by promoting bowel movement and preventing constipation. Carbohydrates are essential for cell recognition. Glycoproteins and glycolipids on the cell surface help in immune responses and communication. In summary, carbohydrates are not just about sugar and energy. They are vital for cellular function, digestion, and immunity. Understanding their chemistry helps us appreciate their role in life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful science content.